So good afternoon, ma'am. This is our report, Tiboli tribe. So let's start. The most known people living in hills, southern Mindanao. The term of Tiboli is combination of Tua meaning people and Bilil means hill of slope. The Tiboli also called Magabili like Rally means people living in hills in southern Mindanao are the known among lowlanders as Magabili derived from Tiboli. So next is location. The Tiboli tribe primarily lives in the height of lands of South Cotabato, particularly around Lake Cebu. They are also found in Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, General Santos City. So, South Cotabato. So, next is the subgroups is Tiboli Cebu. These are the Tiboli who live in the municipalities of the Lake Cebu and Tiboli primarily in the highland areas surrounding and major lakes. Tiboli Mohen, these are groups resides along the coastal areas of the Celebes Sea and especially in municipalities of Maytong, Kiamba, and Maasin. So next, clothesmen. So, ano siya ang upper garment o lower garment. Ano siya mo? So, first is the Kigalisaro o Sawal. And then woman is upper garment, Igal Chana Nala. Lower is Luwik Tidayong. Dayon, accessories means tip, hand woman made cloth of kernet. Next. This is for liig or liab for muna siya ikon sa men. And then sa woman is sawat or swat, the tradition of large modern bamboo fruit worn as the back of the head. So, second is the Kinisha Limimit. So, our religion is animalism and ancestral core. Kamano siya. Then, second is Christianity, culture, Christian. Number 3 is Islam, the marginal influence.
So, languages, Tiboli language is part of the Austrians family. Basic greetings. So, you are the first good morning, you Kimel, good afternoon, so you good evening, most naman, thank you very much, and village school, you're welcome. So livelihood is waving, so especially kining laptop from Abaka women by women, and also farming, the traditional trading or slash and organic culture practiced by Tiboli indigenous people in Mindoro. And also we know about fishing, then hunting, maging kasagaran nilang mga kuan, and that's the culture, then mo nila sa courtship. So we have here marriage, ritual involved in saying from letters and such offering the spirit, traditional dances and fasting. The bride wears a Tiboli dress, symbolize culture and spiritual values. So polygamy is a traditional accept, especially among leaders like obtains. Then after marriage, the couple lives with the husband family or start a new home with clearly defined roles from men and women. So burials, ordinary burials, people believe that a person has a spiritual soul that continues to exist after death. So death is seen as a station to spirit world. So proper burials will ensure safe passage and prevent misfortune to the living. So mga monthly preparation of the body. Only some traditional practices, burial practices, morning and rituals. Rituals are prayers, are performed spiritual leaders. Songs may be played during the family observe among holding period over in certain activities. Feasting may be held to honor to deceased and strengthen community bonds. Festivals, industry festivals, to give thanks to the beautiful harvest, to offer prayers and rituals to their spirits and mohon for abundance and production, to celebrate the tribe's connection with the nature, their agricultural tradition, to strengthen community bonds and social ties, to showcase tradition dances, music, and craft, to pass down cultural heritage and traditions to younger generation. So, Imbong Festival to honor ancestor and spirit, to showcase bravery and strength of Tibuli warriors, to celebrate victories and achievements in battle, to pressure and pass down warrior tradition and cultural heritage, to promote and unity and solidarity among the Tibuli community, to offer thanks and prayers for the protection and blessings. Sislong Festival to celebrate life, nature, and the culture, to give thanks, blessing, and abundance, to honor the spirit and ancestor, to strengthen the bonds and socialities, to marking the importance of the season. So, dances. So, ako nag-auban mo po dahil na